So beautiful people. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, subscribe. For those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. God bless you. So in this video we are going to eat this is okra soup with plantain and millet. Okay, so watch out for our previous video how we prepare this soup and this plantain and millet fufu. Okay, thank you very much. Join us with this food. Thank you. So leave it. Wow, this is nice. Watch how we prepare this swallow and delicious food.
Viewers, thank you for joining us. This is a plantain and millet fufu. Wow, this is beautiful. This is oilless okra. Wow,
Delicious. Watch how we prepare this food. Millet.
let's see what happened.
Make I look for fish of my baby. Fish.
Let me show viewers what we are eating. Viewers, as you can see, the food is going down.
Delicious.
So out of 3, it remains about 1 more. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed,
Help us.
turn up the notification bell for
Press
more
that red
videos.
button for more video. Subscribe.
Bye. Bye bye. See you.
Mwah.
Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.